In today's video, guys, we're going to talk about BNB Miner.finance. I know before I've created a video, multiple videos already about this, wherein you will be able to get 3% per day. So make sure to stand by into this video while I will teach you some other techniques for you to be able to earn more money in BNB Miner.finance. And before we start, of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates. And also, so here you don't need a lot of money to start. You can start at least 0.1 BNB, even lower than that. Okay, you see here I do not have any miner, but actually if you have a miner, you will be able to get 3% a day. And if you're curious about this money that I'm getting, this is more like from my referrals, but I'm just going to clarify that the reason why these people are still putting their money in BNB Miner and why I am still getting referrals is that it is working, it is legit, it is paying you 3% guaranteed daily. And you can see that it is verified contract here. You'll be able to see that there's a lot of people that are withdrawing and everything, and there's more than 5,000 BNB already, which is translates to $2 million right now. And if you're going to look forward here, okay, into the analytics and into the BNB balance, you will be able to see that there are a lot of people that are, they've started last March 29, and from March up to now, they are still paying people 3% a day. And this is more like March, April, May, June, July, August, September. This is more like 7 months already. This is 7 months running. And if you are already doing this since March, probably you are sitting with a lot of profits. You are now taking a lot of BNBs. You are mining a lot of BNBs, and of course this is a verified contract, which means the developer can change this one. So this is really legit, and I just really want to show to you that the BNB that you are going to get here is legit. Okay, let me just show it to you real quick. So I'm just going to confirm it, and as you can see here, I only got 0.1, but now after a few more seconds it will be redirected, and you will see that I already got this BNB inside my Binance. Okay, and if you're going to look forward here, all of these BNBs that I am withdrawing every single day comes from BNB Miner. Okay, just imagine that, guys. I even withdraw more than 5 BNB. I even withdraw 7 BNB. There's a lot of BNBs that I'm withdrawing here because I am getting a lot too. Okay, so let me just show it to you real quick. I think it is not yet pocketing, so let me just try it again. It will be redirected into your wallet. Okay, see, so it is now already here. I got 0.3 BNB. That's fucking easy. There's no need that you need to do here. We just really need to repeat this all over and over and over again, and of course you will be winning a lot, of course, and you will be able to take a lot of profits. And now, just like what I've shown to you, I can just send this into my Binance address and also enjoy this one. Okay, so I'm going to click that part, and 0.3, let's say, and I think this is my wallet, so I'm just going to transfer it into my wallet. I'm also going to open my Binance account here, so that just for a proof, okay, just for the proof, okay, for the proof. And also I really want to show to you that this is legit. There's nothing that I'm actually hiding here. You can actually earn 3% a day here. Okay, so you will be able to see it here. Okay, you see, it will be it will be shown here, okay, that there will be something like a deposit successful. And let me just like wait for a few more minutes, and of course you will be able to see everything here. Okay, it will be redirected here after I've already done that, guys. So okay, it is already here. Let me just refresh it one more time, okay? You know, I'm pretty much transparent, so I'm going to clear that one all, and I can view everything here. Okay, so let me just like, let's just wait for a few more minutes, okay, and it will be redirected. And you can see here in the activity, okay, it's already here, okay. Let me just refresh it real quick, okay. You see, I've deposited 0.3 BNB, okay. Imagine that. So that's pretty much what you just need to do here. There's really nothing hard into this part, okay. So you see, I'm making money. So of course, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.